While we have a flat hierarchy in the company, we still have a few managers. But in another 2 years, we hope to eliminate that level and create a be your own boss culture. Our mission is to build self-organizing, self-policing teams. Instead of using job descriptions to decide who does what in the team, we would define roles. This would facilitate increased collaboration between departments, and all decision making would happen locally, that is, by those on the ground. Our mission is to be one of the leading voices in this space, and getting there requires a lot of learning and educating on our part. But we don't want to just learn and not share our knowledge with anyone. By sharing our story and wisdom, we hope to inspire others and maybe even embolden another group of friends to create the next Accubits.